Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim. Episode 14. Embeddings. How does a computer know that cat and kitten mean similar things? Embeddings. An embedding converts text into a list of numbers. A vector. Similar text, similar vectors. Think of it like GPS coordinates for meaning. Cat and kitten are nearby. Cat and Python are far apart. Today we build embeddings from scratch. Cosine similarity, sentence transformers, and semantic search. A new file. Embeddings are the engine behind semantic search. Episode 14. This is how RAG finds relevant chunks. No AI library yet. We build the math first, then add the model. Import OS. We need it to set environment variables. Import warnings. Python built-in module for suppressing messages. Set tokenizer's parallelism to false. Prevents a threading warning. Disable HuggingFace progress bars. Keeps output clean. Filter all warnings. The model prints debug messages we do not need. Import math. We need it for square root in cosine similarity. What is an embedding? Text becomes a list of numbers. A vector. Hundreds of dimensions. Each number captures some aspect of meaning. Similar text produces similar vectors. That is the key insight. Cosine similarity measures how similar two vectors are. It returns a number between -1 and 1. 1 means identical direction. The dot product. Multiply matching elements, sum them up. The magnitude. The length of each vector. Square root of sum of squares. Think of it as measuring how much two arrows point in the same direction. Zero magnitude check. Division by 0 would crash. The formula. Dot product divided by the product of magnitudes. Pure Python. No libraries. You understand exactly what it does. We built cosine similarity by hand. But we still need to turn text into vectors. That is what Sentence Transformers is a Python library that converts any text into a numerical vector. Sentence Transformers, it uses a pre-trained neural network transformer. This is the main class that loads and runs the model. Unlike the Claude API, this runs entirely on your machine. No API key. No internet needed after the first download. 6 versus 2. A small, fast model trained to understand meaning. It produces vectors the first time you run this, the model downloads automatically from HuggingFace. After that, it is cached locally. The embed function takes any text and returns a vector. Model.encode does the heavy lifting. ToList converts it to a Python list. This one function is the bridge between text and math. Text goes in, numbers come out. Those numbers enable search. Save. Cosine similarity and embedding function ready. Now we test it. 4 sentences to see if the model understands meaning. 4 test sentences. 2 similar, 2 different. Cat on mat and kitten on rug. These should be similar. This is semantic similarity, not keyword matching. Python programming and sunny weather. These should be different. The model has never seen these exact sentences. It understands meaning. Sentences ready. Time to convert them into vectors and compare. Generate embeddings for all 4 sentences. Print the vector size. 384 dimensions for this model. Now compare every pair. 6 comparisons total. Print the similarity score and the 2 sentences. Watch the numbers. High scores mean similar meaning. A nested loop compares each sentence with every other sentence. This is the same formula used in every search engine and recommendation system. Save and run. The model downloads on first use, then it is fast. Watch which pairs score highest. Cat and kitten, high score. The model understands they are related. Cat and python, low score. Animals and programming are far apart. Cat and weather, low. Different topics entirely. No shared words between cat and kitten, yet high similarity. That is the power of embeddings. Embeddings done. Next, vector database. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, embeddings convert text into vectors. Similar meaning, similar vectors. Second, cosine similarity measures how close two vectors are. 1 is identical, 0 is unrelated. Third, sentence transformers runs locally, no API key needed, fast and free. Thanks for watching. Next episode, Vector Store with ChromaDB.